Hi, I'm Wendy Williams and this is Tai Chi Life. And today I'm just bringing you a really short little video and I'm encouraging you to stand on your tiptoes. So as you can see, you can use some kind of a surface to help balance you or go without any support. And then you can go back to doing your squats in between. So this is a nice little addition to do a tiptoe and then squat. Then a few little variations that you could work on are to reach your hands up, or maybe you have, if you're inside, some cupboards up top to support you. But what I find helps is if you really put your attention into your palms. So I really think of my palms and my toes. So I'm stretching in between those. Just watch when you do this that you try to get your heels going straight up. Personally, I have a tendency they want to go out, and that's wrong. So try to have them straight up and down and see where you can fit this into your day every day. I will see you next week.